Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Pianshu Placement Solution and welcome back to our series guys that we have already started for Infosys exam preparation. This is our fourth lecture guys. If you have missed any of the lecture friends, you can go and check out the playlist guys. I have already uploaded the 4 videos and this is our fourth lecture and one video is for introduction. Okay, so go and check out guys as soon as possible and watch all the videos. I request everyone guys, please follow this series and support us, okay, for completing this series till exam date guys. Okay, I have already uploaded 3 lectures, go and check out guys. And if you have not subscribed this channel guys, please go and check out code for placement, because here after Infosys exam, I think from Monday or Tuesday we will start coding practice from zero to hero here only in free of cost guys. Okay, so let us start guys. How what question I have taken today's video or in this video. Okay, so let's see one by one guys, or just wait. Yeah, so let us see guys. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, question is this one guys, है ना guys? Whatever question I am taking now, in every question some twists are there. So in this question, the question is very easy. If you see the first time the question is very easy, but guys in this question one twist is there. I will show you, don't worry. So let's discuss about question. The question is, you are given a string number representing a positive integer and a character digit. Return the resulting string after removing exactly one occurrence of digit from number such that the value of the resulting, guys please keep in mind this point. Okay, in every question I told you, in every time you need to just pick the main point of the question, right? So in this question guys, what is the important line? The value of the resulting string in a decimal form is maximized. Guys keep in mind this line. String in a decimal form is maximized. The test case are generated such that the digit occur at least once in a number. Means guys digit is there. Let us move to the test case. That much be better, because guys according to me, question is not sufficient for understanding. We need a test case, then only we got a question. So let me show you one test case guys. The test case is basically guys, input is given. Okay, let me change the color. Input is given guys. Input is nothing but a number and that is in a string format. Okay, and we have a digit. Okay, and digit also in a string format. Both are in string format. Now what you need to do guys, you need to remove the digit from number. Okay, you need to remove the digit from number and you need to find the answer. So it's very easy. We have a 123, we remove 3, we got 12. It's a very easy, but one twist is there guys. Let me show you the twist guys. Okay, the twist is, before discussing twist guys, let me show you, this is the greedy question. Okay, greedy question. Okay, greedy algorithm you can say. The twist is, you can see in this question. Let us discuss what is twist actually. The twist is guys, if you have a repeating element, for example you have 1 and 1, here is repeating element, right? But we have a digit is 1, we need to remove 1. Now guys, it will confuse you like what number you need to remove. You need to remove this one or this one. So for that guys, as I told in previous slide, that you need to keep in mind this line, string in decimal form is form is maximized. Okay, so maximized. So let me remove the one. For example, we have a 1 2 3 is 1. Okay, now if I check this number, we can make, if I remove this number is this one. Okay, let me change the color for better understanding guys. If I remove this one, then we will got 2 3 1. Yes, but guys, but if I remove red ले लेते हैं, if I remove this one, then we got 1 2 3. So we need to find the maximum number. So guys, maximum is nothing but a 2 3 1. Yes, that's why guys the answer is 2 3 1. Now guys, many of you are so thinking, yeah, it's a very easy question. So guys, try once, है ना? Try once right now. Pause the video and try on your compiler guys right now. Okay, then only you can continue the video. I request everyone, है ना? So let me show you what logic I have implemented in this question guys. Just an imagine, we have a n is a number, nothing but a 1 2 3 1. Okay, and we have a d is nothing but a guys digit, that is 1, right? Now guys, we have a task, we need to check, if I remove this one, then what remaining things are there, and make sure this is in a string format guys. String format, clear? Let's see. Let me change the color. What you need to do guys now? First of all guys, we need to traverse the complete string. Yes or no? Say yes. So guys, I am taking a for loop. Okay, in the for loop guys, in the for loop I am taking I variable. Always we take I variable, but many of you are saying कि sir, is it compulsory to take I variable? No, it is not compulsory guys. Okay, you can take any variable guys. Let me remove this. Let's take a p variable. ठीक है, क्योंकि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को तो अभी तक यही डाउट रहता है कि यार आई क्यों, यार कुछ भी वेरिएबल ले सकते, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है. सो फॉर पी गाइस, one function is there in a python, the name is enumerator, ऐसा कुछ नंबर होता है, ठीक है, ठीक है, enumerate. One function is there that's name is this, but no need to use this. If you want to use you can use, but no worries, and I will tell you without this, then after that I will tell you what is the use of this function in this question, ठीक है. हाँ तो चलो चलते हैं, अभी हम देखते हैं. सो फॉर पी इन रेंज, ठीक है, मैं एक लूप चलाने वाला हूँ रेंज के साथ. पाइथन में बता रहा हूँ, नहीं तो आप चाहो तो किसी भी लैंग्वेज में इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हो इसको, नो प्रॉब्लम गाइस. ओके, सो बेसिकली गाइस दिस रेंज विल बी एग्जीक्यूट फ्रॉम 0 to length of the number, length of the string. Okay, the string is nothing but a 1231, right? Now guys please see here, now whatever step I am using here, that is very important, please try to understand this step. What I am doing ki here, every time I have n of p, every time I have n of p, n of p is nothing but 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, third index, right? 1 2 3 1, right? 0 index, first, second, third index. Yes or no? So friends, every time we have this, or I will check if the number, if the character is equal to digit. Digit is nothing but this d. ओके, डी ही लिख देता हूँ, नहीं तो फिर कंफ्यूजन हो जाए, फिर कहो कि यार क्या ही है, ठीक है. सो डी, राइट? इफ द कंडीशन इज ट्रू मींस गाइस we are just taking कि यार we have a this number where we got the number. If I got the number here, if the number is there guys, what I will do, what I will do guys, please see here guys, this is very important है ना. I will do like temp, I will do temp equal to, now in the temp equal to, imagine guys we have a string 2131. Yes, now guys first of all in the first iteration I got this digit and the condition is true, then what I will do, I will neglect this digit and I will take 231. I will take 231 and neglect that number guys 1. Or for example, if I got 1 2 3 1 and if I got the last digit, then guys I will neglect this and I will got 2 1 2 3. For this guys I am using slicing in the Python. Slicing is a one very special concept in a Python and I love this concept guys. ठीक है, तो I am using this concept in a Python. You can use for loop as well in a C और C++. ठीक है, तो चलो देखते हैं क्या करना है. So for that guys what you need to do, you have some options, right? So for example, first of all you need to take a number. Okay, so here guys I am writing like slicing, right, as I told. So what I am saying, what I was saying ki we need to neglect this number. So just imagine, let me show you in another slide. Okay, और यहीं देख लो थोड़ा सा, ठीक है. Imagine guys we have a 1 2 3 1, we have a 0 index, first index, second index and third index. Clear? Now the next thing is guys, next thing is you need to neglect this. So for neglect this guys, what you need to do, you need to take remaining elements and this is the first index. Yes or no? So at first of all guys, here we have a p, p is nothing but a 0. Imagine, ठीक है, p have a 0. So 0 2 will execute 0 to I index, 0 to p index, sorry, p is nothing but a guys, p is nothing but a this index only, and I will do plus. Why I am writing 0 to p? Because guys 0 to p, in a 0 to p we have a the number like 2 3 1, 1 2 3 1 is there. If I use this combination, if I use this combination guys 1 2 3 1, okay, so in this one combination guys, if I want 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3, so guys I will, what I will do, I will take 0 to p, p is nothing but this index, I will take 1 2 3 in this situation, and remaining one guys, for remaining one what I need to check, I will take a value from p plus 1 index to end guys, आखिरी तक ले लेंगे. बस यही हमारा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन था, यही हमारी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप थी। समझ आएगा इस सभी को? समझ नहीं आया तो मैं एक बार शॉर्ट में फटाफट समझा देता हूँ आपको। इमेजिन वी हैव अ 1 2 3 1, okay, we have a two, we need to take a two things like 1 2 3, and we need to take a 2 3 1, right? And 1 2 3, these are index values 0 1 2 3. Yes, the next thing is guys, after that what we need to do here, you know, here we have a, this is just imagine n, okay, and first of all one we will got at p equal to 0, and here p equal to, we will got at 3 index, right? So what I am doing guys, I am just taking n of, and n of starting from 0 index and goes to p value, ठीक है, plus n of, starting from p plus 1 guys, p plus 1 is nothing but our index, okay, and goes to end of this string. Now let us check this both guys. For example, p equal to 0 we have, so n of 0 to 0, ठीक है, plus n of 1 to end, ठीक है, and for this test case guys, n of p equal to 3 is there guys, n of 0 to p is nothing but 3, plus n of p plus 1 is nothing but a 4 guys, ठीक है, 4 and till end. Let's see what's the output guys. Okay, so the output is basically guys, as you can see here, the output is n 0 to 0, it will give you the empty string, plus here 1 to end, 1 to end tak means 2 3 1, it will give you 2 3 1, right? 2 3 1 plus this string, it will give you 2 3 1 simple string. And for this one guys, 0 to 3, 0 to 3 matlab 0 to 2, so it will give you 1 to 3, plus it will give you the empty string, and the final answer is 1 to 3 only. So this is your logic. I hope this is clear to you. ठीक है, लेट अस मूव टू द कोड गाइस. बिफोर मूविंग कोड गाइस, इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब यार, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, और बिफोर सब्सक्राइब और आफ्टर सब्सक्राइब, दैट मच बी बेटर, ठीक है. आफ्टर सब्सक्राइब गाइस, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, first of all you need to share this video with your at least 10 friends guys, at least 10 right now guys, okay, right now. First of all you need to share this video with your 3 or 5 or 10 friends guys right now, ठीक है, then only complete this video guys, then only you can watch the solution, ठीक है. और guys, I want some response. As you can see here, only 300 people have seen. Yet please try to share this video with your all friends and in your all college groups guys, so everyone got the benefit in free of cost guys. I want no one go for paid course, है ना, but it's your wish guys. If you want to go with paid, you can go with paid course guys, ठीक है. So let us discuss the solution, okay. और इसको भी सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, हमारा ये चाइल्ड चैनल है, यू कैन से दिस इज अवर चाइल्ड चैनल, और यू नो अबाउट चाइल्ड, ठीक है, चाइल्ड कितना तगड़ा होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू पेरेंट्स, यू ऑल नो, ओके. तो चलो अभी देखते हैं, ठीक है, और ये आपको समझ में आएगा वो सारा कुछ, ठीक है. तो क्वेश्चन सभी को क्लियर होना चाहिए, तभी आपको कोड समझ में आने वाला है, ठीक है. सो लेट अस डिस्कस द कोड गाइस विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम. इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब यार, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, ओके. सो फटाफट से कोड्स डिस्कस करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव वन स्ट्रिंग गाइस, दैट्स नेम इज n इक्वल टू, वी हैव अ नंबर, लेट्स टेक अ 1 2 1 1 2 3 1 ओनली राइट नाउ. देन आफ्टर दैट गाइस वी हैव अ सॉरी 1 सेकंड, हाँ अब ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ये कीबोर्ड गड़बड़ा रहा है, अब सही है. चलो, तो द नेक्स्ट लाइन गाइस, आई हैव चेंज इन माय आईडी, आई हैव टेकन अ नंबर रो हियर एज वेल, ठीक है. पहले नंबर रो नहीं था, अब नंबर रो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, मैंने वो वाला फंक्शन लगा लिया. गाइज इफ यू वांट सर ये सब हमें बताओ कैसे करते हैं इसको ना सेट, तो आई विल मेक वन सेपरेट वीडियो फॉर दैट, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हम एक डिजिट लेने वाले हैं, डिजिट को मैं डिजिट ही लिखने वाला हूँ, डेट मच बी बेटर, एंड डिजिट वी हैव अ वन ओनली, ठीक है, डिजिट वी हैव अ वन ओनली गाइज, ठीक है. आफ्टर डेट गाइज अब थोड़ा सा मजा आने वाला है, ठीक है. आफ्टर डेट आई एम टेकिंग अ आंसर वेरिएबल, और आंसर वी हैव अ एम्प्टी लिस्ट, ठीक है. और आफ्टर डेट गाइज व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी नीड टू टेक अ फॉर लूप फॉर आई, है ना, इन रेंज, कहाँ से कहाँ तक चलाने वाले हैं हम लोग, लेंथ ऑफ, यस गाइज लेंथ ऑफ नंबर तक हम चलाने वाले हैं, यस. एंड आफ्टर डेट गाइज हमने क्या किया था, हमने चेक किया था कि इफ एन ऑफ पी, और यहाँ पे हमने पी लिया था, तो मैं यहाँ पे अभी भी पी ही ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है. हम क्या चलाने वाले हैं, इफ एन ऑफ पी गाइज, एन ऑफ पी इक्वल टू डिजिट, देन आफ्टर डेट गाइज व्हाट वी विल डू टेक अ टेम्प वेरिएबल, एंड इन द टेम्प वेरिएबल आई हैव सॉरी एन ऑफ, कहाँ से लाएंगे गाइज, यस एन ऑफ 0 टू 0 टू सॉरी 0 टू p guys, yes. I hope you all are remember this thing whatever we have discussed recently, right? So next thing we have take n of from p plus 1, yes, p plus 1, after that till end, clear. After that guys, इसके बाद what we need to do guys, what we need to do, we need to We have a two options guys. We can append this answer to temp, answer dot append to temp. ठीक है, first way is this one and another way I will discuss, don't worry. ठीक है, and after that guys, if I print answer, ठीक है, if I print normal answer right now, so as you can see here we got 231 and 123, but guys this is in a string format. So what I will do, after taking before putting temp, I just do the typecasting of this in a Python only. Now as you can see guys, we got in a integer format. If you want to check, we just type, type of and now answer of 0. ठीक है, answer of 0. So I just show you like what is the what type value we are stored in the list. As you can see, int. Clear? So these things are clear guys. Let us move to the next. We got this. Now after that we will print a minimum of, we need to print string only, right? So I will do the typecasting str of minimum, sorry maximum, we need to find na maximum of answer. ठीक है, so this is our logic or our question is done. If I run this code, as you can see here 231, if I change the number to 123, now again run 23 is the correct answer, yes of course. If I check some other number like 3312 और इतने काफी है, और एक और वन ले लें क्या, ले लेते हैं चलो, तो 3321 is correct answer. Clear guys? If I remove this one only, then the correct answer is 332, 332, 332. I hope guys this all the things are clear, and this my code is already passed all the test case. Let me show you the name of the program. The program name is guys basically remove. Now you can write in your notebook, or if you want you can check out, remove digit from number to sorry to uh, maximize, okay, maximize result. ठीक है, this question is available on lead code, you can go and check out. And that problem guys है ना, according to lead code, oh I need to take one more thing ना, as I told you ना, we need to, I will discuss one more thing. So I just comment this right now, है ना. In place of this guys, what you need to do, you can do one more thing. In place of append, you can take a answer as a integer variable, ठीक है. And after that what you need to do, temp of int, सॉरी यार, सॉरी आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ वन मोर वेरिएबल नाम से एक वेरिएबल बना लेते हैं जिसके अंदर हमारे पास इंट ऑफ टेम्प होने वाला हैगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट हम वी विल चेक इफ व्हाट वी नीड टू चेक, इफ मोर इज ग्रेटर देन आंसर, then we will do answer equal to more. No need to do this append and all the things, we will directly print what, print str of answer. The question is again done guys. As you can see here 332 is correct answer guys. Got it? समझ में आया गाइस सभी को? कैसा लगा क्वेश्चन? तगड़ा था? तगड़ा तो नहीं कह सकता मैं गाइस, बट यस इंटरेस्टिंग था गाइस, है ना. क्वेश्चन इज इंटरेस्टिंग, द ट्विस्ट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. नाउ इन लीड कोड गाइस, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, you need to write here number you need to take a number, okay. In lead code guys, what you need to do, let me comment here. In a lead code you need to write n equal to number, ठीक है, और remaining question is similar guys. And in place of here you need to just type return str of answer, ठीक है. This is your lead code solution. If you want to check, you can check out the what question on lead code. This is the question name, remove digit from number to maximum result. You need to find this whole the word on Google, you will got a question, ठीक है. If you want, let me show you, no problem, I have, okay. So this is the question, you can go and check out, and I have already submitted, that's why, ठीक है. So it's all about today's video. I hope क्वेश्चन सभी को समझ आया होगा. If anyone have any doubt guys, let me know in comment box. I hope you are enjoying this series. How many of you are enjoying this Infosys free of course coding series guys? Let me know in comment, so that guys I am more motivated for making this series, ठीक है guys. In the last second video, in the last means in the lecture second, I told you to subscribe, I told you to like 150 plus, yes or no? Yes, but you only do 100 plus like. So if you more and more like na guys, it is motivate me ki yaar we need to make more and more and more content for students, right? We need to make a more videos, we need to make more contents, but guys sometimes you are not like the video, you are not sharing the video guys, right? So I require sometimes I demotivate यार, कोई देख नहीं रहा, ठीक है यार. प्लीज ट्राई टू शेयर दिस सीरीज विथ योर फ्रेंड्स इन योर कॉलेज ग्रुप यार, इट्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, है ना. और ट्राई टू रिस्पेक्ट माई एफर्ट गाइज यार, है ना, क्योंकि हर वीडियो में गाइज एफर्ट्स लगता है थोड़ा सा, ठीक है, कभी कभी 2 घंटे लग जाते हैं एक वीडियो में, कभी कभी 3 घंटे लग जाते हैं। और अभी मैं गाइज वीडियोस बना रहा हूँ थोड़ा नाइट में ड्यू टू ऑफिस लोड। ठीक है, ऑफिस का थोड़ा सा वर्क है मेरे पास, तो थोड़ा सा लोड भी है, तो वहाँ का भी पहले करना है, फिर यहाँ का करना है। राइट, तो आपका प्रिपरेशन भी अच्छे से होता जाए। ठीक है, तो ट्राई टू रिस्पेक्ट माई वर्क गाइज और ट्राई टू सपोर्ट माई वर्क गाइज। ठीक है, सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो। हाउ यू आर फीलिंग विद दिस सीरीज, लेट मी नो इन कमेंट बॉक्स, है ना। और how many of you are getting benefits using this series, right? Or let me know if you have any doubt, query. I will try to resolve your query, है ना। So it's all about today's video. We'll meet on next video. And if you have missed any of the lecture, like first lecture, second lecture, third lecture, if you miss any lecture, I will share all the links वेयर एट द एंड ऑफ स्क्रीन गाइज। ठीक है, और लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दूंगा किसका प्लेलिस्ट का, सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक आउट। एंड वन रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीवन, प्लीज ट्राई टू शेयर दिस वीडियो, ट्राई टू शेयर दिस चैनल गाइज। द नेम इज कोड फॉर प्लेसमेंट, और बस जैसा नाम है वैसे इसका काम होने वाला है। जीरो से स्टार्ट करेंगे कोडिंग, जिसको कोडिंग का सी नहीं आता, और जाएंगे हम कोड के ई तक और कोडिंग के जी तक और ए टू जेड तक। ठीक है, ट्राई करूंगा अपना बेस्ट गाइज, 100% नहीं कह सकता मैं, क्योंकि मैं 100% कभी कहता भी नहीं हूँ। अपना बेस्ट ट्राई करूंगा गाइस कि इसमें मजा ही आ जाए आपको। ठीक है, और इट्स वीडियो के लिए इतना ही फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। ठीक है, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। आई विल शेयर ऑल द लिंक्स इन अ डिस्क्रिप्शन। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स, विल मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। ट्राई टू सपोर्ट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड जो क्लिक द बेल आइकन बटन एज वेल। ठीक है, सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो, विल मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टेक केयर, बाय बाय गाइस। ओके।